Hello everyone, today I'm going to speak about the function QGIS basic introduction. It is my outline. You can see in this slide that first I want to explain something about the GIS function, after that about the capturing data, storing data, analysis, display and output. In this slide, when we want to make some maps in GIS, we can use 6 different kind of function in this application. After that, by using this kind of function, we can make some maps like point shapefile customers, like polygon shapefiles like building, streets like polyline, and finally some 2D or 3D image by this application. So capturing data function is the first function of QGIS, which by using this function we in GIS application have the ability to capture for different kind of information, such as digital information by using USB, DVD or CD, GPS information, and some coordinates by using Excel sheets, and it is also possible that some hard copy maps by using georeferencing function in this application, GIS can this kind of information as well. So GIS application have some function for storing data or information, vector formats, raster formats, and relative, which vector and raster formats are the two more important formats in this application. So the question is, what is the shape files? The standard vector file format used in QGIS and GIS is the ESRI Shape-file, which is provided by the OGR Simple Feature Library. So we should be considered that shapefile actually consists of a minimum of 3 files: SHP file, which contain the feature of geometry; dBF file contain the attribute in dBase format; and SHX contain the index information of this file. So we also should remember that the shapefile is stored could be like feature geometry, feature attributes, and a link between these two different features. Query functions. GIS application have some function which when we want to identify some features, there are some different ways. In the first variant, you can see that we choose or selected this in specific places by identifying a specific feature, and in the second variant we identify or selected this feature by defining or identifying some condition to this application. So another function of GIS has analysis function, which we can analyze some maps in 3 different purposes, for example for proximity, for overlay, and network as well. After some processing in this application on some maps, when we want to show this map, GIS application have some function to display this information, such a map, such a graph, such a report as well. So when we sure that all the process is finished and we want to export our map or our information, we can use 3 different variants. For example, GIS application have this ability to export this kind of information as an internet file, as a document like PDF, as an image, and as a paper map as well. So this all information was about the GIS and QGIS functions. Thank you for attention. Bye.